Torn between using Navy Fed, USAA, or the VA loan specialist? Let's break down why it actually matters. When it comes to using your VA loan, a lot of veterans think their only choices are Navy Federal or USAA, but that's just not true. I'm Jason Wood, the VA loan guy and VA loan specialist. In this video, I'll break down the differences between the big name military lenders and the local VA loan expert so that you can make a confident, informed decision for you and your family. Here's what most people don't realize. The VA doesn't lend any money. They just back the loan. You still have to choose a lender to issue the mortgage. This means that your rate, approval speed, communication, and loan experience all depend on who you work with, not just what loan program you selected. So in comparing Navy Fed, USAA, and a VA loan specialist, there are three options that matter the most. Navy Federal, huge credit union, lots of members, they're great for banking, but can be slow on turn times. You're dealing with a call center, so you have less personalized help, and underwriting can be pretty conservative. USAA, trusted brand in the military community, huge insurance company. They're excellent for providing insurance. Their mortgage department is often outsourced to third-party lenders in a call center, less competitive rates, fewer specific VA loan experts, or the VA loan specialist, often faster, more accurate pre-approvals, more direct access to lenders. They know the VA loan guidelines inside and out. They're focused solely on helping military families. They are more flexible with their guidelines and are way more responsive. For example, a local VA lender might close your loan in 18 to 21 days, while a big box lender like USA or Navy Fed might take 35, 45, or even 60 days. And if something goes wrong on the appraisal, the VA loan specialist knows exactly how to fix it. What most people don't know is this: big name lenders might advertise better rates, but the hidden fees, slow response time, or underwriting hiccups can cost you more in the end. It's not all about the interest rate. I recently closed a loan for a Navy Fed employee. She works at Navy Fed in the mortgage department, and Navy Fed denied her VA loan. Her husband is active duty military. They were getting PCS orders, and they would not approve their loan. So she came to me because she needed a true VA loan expert, even though the big Navy credit union was supposed to be the brand that everyone goes to. They couldn't do their loan. We got their loan and closed it with flying colors. Another example, I had a client who made an offer on a home. I pre-approved him, but his dad, who's also a veteran, was adamant that he uses USAA. Son, our family uses USAA only. So he went to USAA, got his pre-approval letter against his realtor's advice, and submitted an offer on a home. Well, the seller of that home happened to be a Vietnam vet, and he's bought and sold more than one property before, and he's had some experiences using USAA. Now, this young Marine who's trying to buy his first house was super excited about it, and that Vietnam vet was pretty excited to sell his house to a Marine. But there was one thing in the way. That was the lender. So the seller told this buyer, if you will change your lender, I'll accept your offer. But I've been around the ring a few too many times, and I know that if you use USAA, it's going to be an absolute nightmare for both you and then I won't accept your offer. So he came back. We got his loan closed in record time. Both were super happy. He got his loan, and the seller was super pumped. So how to pick the right lender for you? Here are a few things to think about before choosing your VA loan lender. Ask yourself, how quickly do I need to close? Will I need help navigating things like certificate of eligibility, appraisal, or multi-use entitlement? Do I want to speak with the same person every time or deal with a rotating team? Do I want to have a great chance at my offer being accepted by the seller? Look at their VA loan experience, their reviews online specific to military buyers, their turn times on recent deals, their pre-approval quality, like how solid is that letter? Did they actually have you provide all of your income and asset documentation? Or was it a quick phone call where you had a letter in a few minutes? If you're weighing your lender options for a VA loan, let's compare it together. I'll help you look at the rate sheets, timelines, and support options to find the best fit for you. Click the link in the description below so we can have a one-on-one chat, or visit me at valoanguy.us to start the conversation. You've earned this benefit. Let's make sure it's working for you, not against you.